it's Caroline. It's time to work in the heart journal, and I'm going to be working in the small, very trashy little journal using my fun packs from Lynn. And that's what this heart journal was made of. I've already put some of the charms, not the charms, some of the beads on the fun rainbow yarn. I'm going to add that to the outside. The beads came in this butterfly cellophane bag, and I'm going to keep all the tiny beads in there. I've already added some punched out painted cardboard. I'm going to add some glue to these little punched out these little dots. Wasn't sure what I was going to craft today, but I thought, oh, I've already started this. I'm going to finish it up. The journal is almost finished, so I'll be able to do a full flip through. I hope you're all having a great crafty session, creative time, a relaxing time. Put them all together, and I'll drop them into the little bag, little baggie. Pretty flat, but it's a little shaker butterfly bag. I'd like to put a few more things in there, maybe some bigger ones. That would be fun. It would take up a little bit more space too, so I'll continue using this. A little bit bigger, and it's a butterfly. I think that will be really cute. Okay, last second thought here. I'm going to use my metallic pen because it'll dry faster than trying to glue these together. Flip them over, have some different colors. I went ahead and I trimmed off the top of the bag, and then I also added some seams just in between some of these areas so that all of my beads and my little punches would stay in their areas, and then you can see it a little bit better. And this is always an experiment. I may not do this again. I may never see a bag like this again. I think it's fun that way, and then I can flip it over and see this pretty little scene here. This piece of lace was also in the fun pack, so I'm going to gather it and edge this part of the heart. Try the strong glue stick. And I'm going to take care of that ruffly part, all with scraps from my desk, and also the fun pack. Well, I think I'm going to use these negative cuts, keep it not so precious looking. Have fun and create. These pages are all a little bit different, very eclectic. I just trimmed this off and I flipped it over, added a little more gold paint, and I'm going to continue with my little butterfly edger up that way. Well, and I suppose if I don't like it, I can always put something over top. I have a lot of lace, a lot of trim. Still, there's lots of trim in the baggie. Fun, free, and whimsical. We've got nothing to lose. You can see how very angular that is. I want to soften it up a bit. I know this is really kind of wild and pieced together. That is what this whole journal is. That's what I love about journaling like this. Free and without structure. Trying to make this look a little more curved. Let's see if it works. I'm going to keep layering until I get the look I want, till I'm happy with it. I have this left over. I'm going to go ahead and do the inside of this little decorative trim. Because I have it, I'm going to use it. It's over the top wild, but I think it's just going to be really fun. So it makes me happy and smile when I can use my scraps and imagination. I have rainbow hearts. And that is a fun way. I think it's a fun way to use some scraps from I just found a little spot to put this through, and then I'm just going to tie it. It's not heavy. Well, that was fun in here today. Adding my little dangle, trimming the inside of the cover, adding little beads in here with the punched out butterflies and circles, just to add something. I'm excited to go in here too. It's been a little while. What did I do in here so far? I don't even know. Oh yes, this cute page with all with scraps. Oh, and then this one. My own lettering. I think I'm going to put my car art. I did this on April the 20th when we were in the car. And there's some tea staining on it. I'm going to put this little girl in here. She isn't going to fit very well, so I wonder so that her head can fit. I can trim this up a little bit too. Car art. Little painted garden book. I'm going to add that there. I think what I'll do is I'll put it on this side, and then when I flip it up, what I found is sometimes I forget to put my little sketchbooks in my bag, in my purse. So I have this scrappy notebook in the car. So when we're going somewhere, and if it's a little bit of a drive, then I can just take out some do some art. Okay, now I'm wondering if it'll be the best spot for it if I turn this over. Yeah, it's a good spot. I love these little books. They are so fun to look through. This is going to fold up. Maybe a little bit of color. A little bit of gelato. Oh, and her, okay, I'll just do this part of her top, her sleeves. Use up all the colors. And her flowers. Car art. I'm still working with my scrappy punched out negative here. To reach, it will not reach there, but it'll reach this way. It'll reach like that. Okay, well, I stapled it closed, which does not help me with securing the page. So it will go on the edge. Just like my other one that I did. I could also just use a paper clip, but this is more fun. Well, maybe one more little page on this side, since I just had some things floating around. Use that. And this was a piece of embossed paper. I took some crayons because I wanted to make some circles. I was doing another project. And I think I'll take some of this and add it here. See if I can tear this so that it's... That can go on here. Oh, put the... I'll just take this off and put this underneath. I better watch the time because I think it's almost dinner time. This is a really fun way for me to relax after being outside, getting some grass cut. There, that's better. here at the edge. It doesn't have to be complicated or fussy. Tell me if you think this is fussy. And that folds down. This is my little paper clip. Oops. Really simple and fun. Now, these words cut from looks like a newspaper. Places to go and things to, I will add do, because that's what we all have. And when you have places to go and things to do, you can still take time for yourself. Create a little, create a lot. Put a timer if you get lost in your art, if you have other things to do. Places to go, things to do. A quick page with really fun scraps. Added a little extension for my car art. And I added here, you never know where adventures will take you. Just go. Just go with it. All little bits and pieces in the fun scrappy journal. And then today, added my little dangle, some lace and some trim, some painted, punched out circles and butterflies, and I used the negative here. And then in the page today, I did the little butterfly bag and I added the punches in here with some of the beads. And then it moves around a little bit, flips over to share or to show the scrappy fun art over here on this side. Thanks everyone for joining me. I appreciate you. Hope you're inspired to take out your scraps, the journals you're working on, and have fun. Relax in your space. Always be fresh and stay adventurous. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.